Al-Amin Education Society was started in the year 1966.
Considering the importance of legal education by our founder Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahab, he established Al-Amin College of Law in the year 1991 with 3-year LLB course.
The purpose of the establishment of the Al-Amin College of Law is to promote judiciary, especially among minorities.
3-year LLB after graduation, 5-year LLB after +2.
We have got 716 students on roll as on today, and every year more than 150 students they are becoming advocates.
Al-Amin Law College, it has lifted the banner of unity, integrity, nationality as well as secularism.
Especially not only the faculties but the people around me, they made me feel welcome. Okay, they made studying easier for me, they made communication easier for me, they made even the country itself easier for me.
One of the best thing about the Al-Amin is the faculty.
The student and faculty relationship here is quite friendly.
It is not a class of just a lecture, it is a much more of conversatory class.
Facilities as in the good infrastructure we have. The accreditation to the NAC was being brought. Successfully, we have completed NAC by getting the grade B++. The extra thing the students are getting is the practical exposure.
We have internships with the judges, sitting judges of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. There are more than 44 students who are getting internship in the High Court of Karnataka. As a lawyer, we have a very great responsibility of building up the society.
Students are encouraged to take part in the extracurricular activities like sports and sports cultural activities.
It will make you a beautiful human being along with a good lawyer.
If you want to see the secular India, Al-Amin is one of the best platforms.
Welcome to
Al-Amin College of Law.
Welcome to Al-Amin College of Law.
I extend a hearty welcome to Al-Amin College of Law.
Excellence in legal education.
Welcome to Al-Amin.